Good day, everybody. It's Clinton Malopa again here. Now, this is the website. It has been officially launched. As you can see, we have a beautiful front page, the home page. Now, just looking from the home page, you can see that here you get two options, and then you go to get started here. When you click here, this is where you get to see all our products. And then when you get here to learn about us, you get to learn about us, of course, what we offer and what we are about. Now let's go ahead and just want to show you how to make the purchase for, let's say you want to buy the MT4 robot on our website, right? You will just click on get started. When you click on get started, you must give it time as it will go through. So of course, the link of this website, it will be down in the description area. So just you just have to click on that link on the description area. So this is where you get our products, right? You can see we have advanced trading, which is for 5,000, which is $350, and then we've got a free beginners guide. This is where you get our YouTube videos where we teach you for free. And then this is the MT4 robot, which is 3.5, which is $250. And then this is the MT5 robot, 3.5, which is $250 as well. Now we want to use this one as an example. So we'll just go ahead and go to add to cart. You wait for it to load and you must check here. It says 0, now it says 1. Now this is where you go to complete. You go to check out. When you hover through this thing, it shows you this page, and then it shows that you've selected MT4 robot. And then you go ahead and check out. Maybe you want to view cart. If you want to view the cart, it's fine. You can go ahead and view the cart. But this is where it will take you to check out, right? Now it says, if you are a returning customer and you already have login details, then you click here. But then if you have a coupon, maybe there is a special, you use this, you click here to put in the coupon. But in this case, you don't have a coupon. So we'll just complete this form. You have to complete everything, but remember, this information is not stored on our database because we can't use it for anything else but just to process your order. That's it. We use it to process your order. Make sure that you fill in everywhere where there is a red mark. That is compulsory to fill in. So in this case, as you can see, I will just use my details, of course. I will just use my details. So let me just go ahead and fill in, and then I will take you to the next page. So yes, guys, I have filled in everything. So yeah, as you can see, after filling in everything, there is this check box here. It has to be checked. So you go ahead and check it. You see, it is checked, and then now you can create your account password. Create your account password. So in this case, I will just use mine. Make sure that your password is strong, guys. Make sure that your password is strong. Use a strong password, guys. Once your password is strong, you know that everything that is yours is safe. So yeah, I guess my password is strong now. So I can go ahead and complete my order. So I will just say place order. As you can see, it's loading, so we must just wait for it to load, and then it will show us where it takes us from here. Yes, and then you see it takes us to the payment options. Now this is where I need you guys to be on alert. Now look at this. It says local clients, local clients, guys. I'm not sure if you see, it says local clients. Local clients, they can use this option, which is a pay with card. And then international clients, you can use PayPal, you can use Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin address. And then after the payment, please send us a screenshot as proof on WhatsApp. You click here, it will take you to WhatsApp, or you can use this number just to send it on WhatsApp, or you can send it via email, or you can just go to our Instagram and then send it there, and then we'll respond to you with the details on how to receive the robot. Of course, we need your email to send the robot to you. That's how it goes. Other than that, guys, it's pretty much easy. You see, you process the order. Let's just use an example. Let's click on cart. We click on cart. It will take us straight to the card payment, and you put in the amount. How much is it? It's 3.5. You put in your reference, which is your name. So I will just use my name. Yes, I'll just use my name, and then okay, first name, same, yeah. Email address, Forex Champions 55 at gmail.com. And then you click pay with card, and then it takes you to this page. This is where you put in your card number, you put in your expiry date, you put in the number at the back of your card here, you pay, and then you are done. And then you take a screenshot, and then you come to WhatsApp or Instagram or whatever, and then you just send us the screenshot there together with your email. Then we process your robot. Then we send you all you need, which is the installation guide, which is the settings, and then you are set and done. You are good to go. Start making money. No time wasting. All sorted. Perfectly so. I hope that this video, it will make you understand. So let's say you want our contact details. You just go ahead, go back to our home page. When you are back to our home page, you will see where it says contact us. You go to contact us. It will take you straight to our contact details. As you can see, we've got your email here. We've got your WhatsApp and calls number. And then we've got our services here. And then we've got our address here. So yeah, that's how it is, guys. I hope that you guys will have a beautiful, beautiful day. And yeah, let's keep on growing. Let's keep on changing lives. It's for the best. It's for the best. And yeah, take care, guys. Cheers.